So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to integrate our web applications into Amazon Connect instance, right? So if you say you have your own third-party application, right? Your website, a web internal web application, and then you want to kind of have it in your Amazon Connect agent workspace so that your agent will be available to use it, or it will be ready available for your agent to use it. This is pretty much possible and very easy to do on Amazon Connect. So I'm quickly going to show you guys how to do this. So yeah, so first, I'm just going to log into my Amazon Connect page and then I'll click on integrations. So integration is how you add your 3P web application. So to do that, I'll add integration and I'll give my integration a name. So for example, I want this to be my demo website that I'm going to integrate with my agent workspace. So if I want to give a description and then the integration type, if it's an MCP server, if it's service that I'm running, if it's a web application, this is a standard web application, so I'm going to do this, and then I will proceed to add an identifier, right? What will get displayed on my agent workspace page so that I can see it. Let me call this thing just demo. This should be fine. And then this is very important, is to add my access URL. That's the domain for my application, right? So to do that, I'm just going to add a website URL. Let me see. Hopefully this is my Tech with Kobina website, right, where I often keep our tutorial notes. Yes, so this is a web application, so that is fine. Then I'll leave everything as default, and then I'll select my instance. So if I have multiple instances and then I want to do the integration to just one, I'll do that. Or if I want to do it for all, I'll select all. Since I have one instance, I'm just going to select that and I'll add an integration. Good. So this is the first part. Once you finish adding the integration, now come into your Amazon Connect instance page and then go to your security profiles, right? So as we said, security profiles kind of manages the permissions of what people can do, what they can see, what they can access, and things like that. So for my admin page, right? Yeah, so on your security profile page, you just have to scroll down to agent applications, and in here you can select, you will see the application you just added, right? Mine was demo website. I'll just make it accessible to anybody who has the admin security profile, right? So if I want my application to be just accessible to agents, if I want my application to be just accessible to QA testers, depending on the nature of application, I can select their security profile and then assign to it. So I'll click on the save and then save again. Yeah, so now to test it on my users agent workspace page, right? What I'm going to do is to open my agent workspace. And then I'll see the demo website. So if I click on it, look at the web application. So this is how simply you can integrate your 3P or third-party application to Amazon Connect. You just have to do the app integration. You go to your security profile, then there you have it, right? Please, when you are testing, ensure you are not using the IAM admin, and then rather you are using your actual users login and credentials. Thank you so much for watching, and then let's meet in the next video.